Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to hack rapid fire and infinite ammo and not get banned at all at RC2. First, this is for the ammo. Open your cheat engine. Select your browser and go to your array of bait. You want to go to array of bait. Now, first copy this. The things you want to copy for the ammo amplifier, I'm gonna be in the description. So copy this, paste. But first, before you do that, go to Basecamp. Come on, it's taking time, but yeah, it's all worth it. Now shoot, run around, reload, and go back to your cheat engine. First scan, and this will show up. And now copy this and press enter and do that and paste this that you copy. Now you go to first scan and get new scan, and now you copy this. Actually, this episode was for ammo because I don't really know for rapid fire, but it's working. You will see. See, it's working. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna find for rapid fire too. For rapid fire because I just don't do that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If it worked, like, share, subscribe. For rapid fire, like I said, it's gonna be the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment.